Is that fabulous? Nature. Okay, some red light. So it won't bother anyone that's coming. And I still can see the road. So I've been asked to make a video about riding in the rain. And today is a perfect day because it's raining. But I don't have my Brompton. I'm sorry. I'll never go up to Vista Chinesa in a rainy day with my Brompton. I like her too so much. This is my touring bike. It's made for it. So, bom dia, tudo bem? So let me show you little tips. A good thing to do is take some of the air out, just a bit. Because when you take some of the air out, the tire gets a little bit flatter. There is more tire to touch the floor, so you get more grip, but not too much. The last PSI you can use in a Brompton is a 60 PSI. Below that, it's very, very dangerous. Yeah. It's amazing. Even in a rainy day, today is packed. It's fantastic. And look at the time. Pretty early, isn't it? You have to pay attention to. It's a big, big branch in the middle of the road, and you got some electric wire. That's from yesterday. Today they take it out. The park here is very well maintained. It's amazing. There's a lot of leaves, so you really have to watch out. Bom dia, tudo bem? Bom dia, tudo bem? These days are marvelous. It's raining, everything's wet, but people keep riding. Let me show you how the view is. It's always worth it. So, what are my tips for a raining day? First of all, dress properly. What that means? I wear a baseball cap because it protects my glasses. Because I'm not wearing it, I have to take them out. And glasses are very important for safety. Wear a jacket or a coat, a rainy coat. If you do have gloves that are rainproof, perfect. If you don't, wear gloves. They help you a lot because everything's gonna be wet and slippery, so it helps a lot. And beware of white paint. Usually it gets very slippery, the white paint, and things like this. It's very, very slippery this here. If you put your wheel on top of it, oh, terrible. Very important thing is give at least 1 to 2 more seconds to brake, because the rims are wet, or even the disc brakes are wet, so it takes a bit longer to brake. Yeah, better safe than sorry. You see down there? It's sunny. That's Rio. is something that you have to be aware of. The big leaves, they get slippery if you go on top of them, so beware. Sometimes disc brakes do this. See? Now it's clean. So the first time you brake, it's lots of noise because it's wet. After you brake it, it dries up. So it's working fine. But it's terrible, isn't it? When you go downhill, I go very slowly here. Because, remember? Yeah, I have to be aware. And sometimes there is a new one. So we have to be very careful. Sorry, no Bromptons today. But the tips works for Bromptons, for road bikes, for mountain bikes. It works for riding, and riding is the best thing about. So if you did like the video, thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, or especially in Brompton riding, please click the little bell. Yes, there's a little bell next to the subscribe button. See ya, bye bye.